You are an amazing artist, but your bank account is not reflecting it. If you make money only when someone orders a painting, you are not running a business. If you don't think like a businessman as an artist, no matter the amount you make, you're still going to definitely go broke. It's not about how many canvas paintings you have sold over the years. It's not about how much you even sell one of your masterpieces. Regardless of all of these things, you can still go broke. And in this video, I'll be sharing how not to stay broke as an artist, the key things you need to look into, and how to structure things. Watch this video to the end to get value. So the first thing to consider is to have different streams of income. Do not have one source of income as an artist. And this is how businessmen think. They don't have one source of income. It's not just about not having one source of income. There are ways you can structure your source of income that it keeps giving you money and it's take you out of the route of being broke. First is have a source of income that could pay you weekly, a source of income that pays you daily, a source of income that pays you monthly. And if possible, if you have a source of income that pays you in hours or in minutes, then you can never be broke as an artist, because artists focus more on the big money they make and forget about the cash flow. Businessmen think about cash flow. The rate at which money comes in consistently is what is your cash flow as an artist. So if you can structure something that gives you money on a daily basis, it makes you stay out of being broke as an artist. And that is what we'll be talking about in this video. Here are some sources of incomes you can look into as an artist. The very first one is selling your original piece. This is one way for artists to make money, but it shouldn't be your only source of income as an artist. Another way to do this is to teach what you know. When it comes to teaching, you can have physical classes, online classes, workshops, and all of that. You can structure something around that gives you income. Like for me, I teach children arts on a weekly basis. So I have a stable source of income as a monthly stipend from me coming from there. So you need to structure something that maybe teaching, it gives you money even when you are not holding your paintbrush. Start a YouTube channel. As an artist, you need to have a YouTube channel whereby when you document your process and post it, also live stream and all of that, income can come from all of this avenue, from sponsored ads and all of. You can even get brand deals as an artist. Also, you can have a YouTube channel to teach too. Another source of income you need to look into as an artist is selling prints. Not everybody will have that huge money to buy your original piece. So making an affordable version, which is a print, can help you make another source of income as an artist. Having several sources of incomes helps you float as an artist and makes you run away from that route of being broke, because even when you are not painting, even when one source of income is not working, the other source of income will definitely be working and be generating money for you. So if you are an artist and you are broke and you are wondering why, these are some of the reasons. It's probably maybe because you have just one source of income. Diversify and go into several other things with just your heart. You don't have to do anything different from art. Your heart is enough. You just need to look out for ways that you can make streams of income from your heart. The ones that will not require much of your effort and the ones that requires much of your effort too. Because when scheduling this source of incomes, you need to also strategize on how you can be available for them. So don't create so many sources of incomes that requires your physical appearance, or that is not structured in a way that you'll be available for them all. So make sure you look into this while scheduling your source of income too. So look into making a monthly or a weekly pay, and look into making daily pay as an artist. Cash flow is very important. The artists that thrive are not the most talented artists. They are the artists that actually understand the business part of what they do. Your art is your product, while the business part is what gives you financial stability and financial freedom. So, as an artist, do well to learn the business side of your art career, because it's definitely going to help you a long time. And I hope this video is helpful to you. And this is one key takeaway from this video. Don't build your business around one customer. Build a system that generates money from you from different sources. And by doing this, you make money even when one source of income slows down. I am Incredible Sam. I create tutorial videos to teach people of all ages art and how to be creative. So if you are looking at upgrading your skill as an artist, I have tutorial videos that could help you and teach you on my channel. Do well to watch them. And if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see my next video that will be coming up next week, Friday or Saturday. I drop videos every Friday or Saturday. Don't forget to share this with an artist that would definitely benefit from this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.